Hi guys, and welcome to the channel and to the official maiden of this EC-135. It was quite a challenging project, to be completely honest. First of all, we have this absolutely minute 3.5-inch tail prop, and thanks to the forum or group chaps that's suggested to swap the motor from this side to that side, which was actually pretty easy. In fact, you just spin the motor around and put the correct prop on, which is now turning as it would normally do. All up weight here is exactly the same as my MD500, which is 1600 grams. So the electronics have got a couple of 100 hours through them, so that's not really a thing, let's call it that. So let's see how the tail behaves. It's a little bit of a breeze. I came out very early just to make use of the weather. So yeah, let's go. As usual, I fly in ATI mode. I do have GPS locked, do I? Yes. Let's spin her around quickly just to make sure nothing's going on. And I still have GPS 3. Run. Everything working. Looking for vibrations or any other weird things. Here we go. I must say, she's quite wind sensitive in the sense that bit wayward. Let's try GPS quickly. So GPS mode. Back to ATI. Wind does tend to disrupt. I think I need to change the swash gain a little bit, because after I let go she tends to dive around and then she settles down. But let's take her for a spin, see how she behaves. Certainly could do with a bit of extra pitch, possibly. Just, yeah, I think I need to give her a bit more pitch. Bit weird, to say the least. Bit weird. So there you have it, guys. It does fly. Yeah, I think I'm going to give her a little bit more pitch and a bit more swash gain, but I'll do that at home. But for the most part, a bit of tuning on this particular one. So I'll do some settings, but for the most part, she's good to go. Looks great. Before I crash her, let's land her. Well, there we go. She's a bit loose, on the swash. I might need to what is that noise? Little blade. So yeah, I'm going to tighten up the swash again, because I find her just a bit, she's not quite as tight as she needs to be. But there we go, guys. EC-135.